Hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we will be unboxing our new Thermomix. Yay! Now you may be wondering...
And we're going to give away the old Thermomix.
We're going to return the old one, right?
Yeah.
You're wondering why I have a new Thermomix. It's because I actually came into Thermomix under a consultant program where I got to borrow a Thermomix. So this is actually my real Thermomix that I will own, and I will return the other one. So let's open it up. Okay, here you kids. Here you kids.
Everyone ready for some loud noise? Because I'm going to jump.
This is they just emailed me last week to tell me that I could, that it was time to take my Thermomix home. If you decide to get a Thermomix, you could buy one with financing, buy one outright, or do the program that I did where you potentially earn your Thermomix, and whatever you don't earn, you pay off at the end and then get your Thermomix. But if you are interested in a Thermomix, any of those are good options. My goodness, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Hey guys, maybe don't jump on all of those. You're going to scare the dog. This is probably a Varoma. Let's see, guys. It is. So this is a Varoma. It is the steamer basket, whoops, that goes on top of your Thermomix, and there's your spatula. Hey Drake, no please, I've asked you. It's noisy. You're gonna hurt people's ears. Okay, let's see guys. Oof. Remember, janky videos. You watch because they're janky. No. Maybe you watch for my sparkling personality. There we go. Our giant Thermomix manual. And down here even deeper, you have... See how environmentally friendly this packaging is? I don't see a single bit of styrofoam in here. Well, there's a single bit down there. One single bit. Well, see,
totally. One single bit.
Okay.
It's the thermal bit.
Okay, guys. I have to figure out how to get this Thermomix out, so I'm going to set you down for a moment. Here we go, everyone. Here's what I took out. Here's our new Thermomix. The lid, the machine, the pot, our steamer lid. That's our splash guard, actually.
Mom, I want to be an assistant.
You want to be an assistant? Spatula, a whisk. It's your cup. Thermomix TM6 the user manual. Oh, welcome! Yay! And our important please reads. I have to move for a moment so my assistant can move in. And while I'm moving, we will plug in the new Thermomix. Okay. So the Thermomix is plugged in. There's a few things you have to do after plugging in the Thermomix. I'm going to wait for this screen to load and I'll come back to you. Okay, so here we go. Vorwerk here, I don't really know how to pronounce it, is the company that makes Thermomix. That's what you're seeing there. So we want to go, so you have so many languages to choose from. English we want, and we're going to go to the next. Where do we live? We live in the United States. Okay, search for networks. I'm not going to let you guys see my password though. Okay, your next step is to connect to your CookIDo account. You get 30 days of free CookIDo if you go to the website. If you become a consultant, you maintain that free CookIDo, or you can pay a relatively low fee each year. I think it's about $30 to maintain access to the 54,000, 54? It might even be more recipes per year. So I'm going to log in, move to the next step. Here we go.
That says...
It says, welcome, Jess.
Good.
It does. It says it's good. So now we're going to go through the safety instructions. I've gone through these many, many, many times. It periodically pops up to remind you. So when you get your Thermomix, you can read through the safety instructions as well. Okay, here we go. Back to our interface that you see in most of my videos. Where'd it go? Don't worry, it's going to come back. Oh, it came back. Would you like to better understand how other users are using this? Sure, I agree to that. Oh, they want to track our usage and behavior. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Normally, I'm kind of scared of that sort of thing, but I'll say yes to this. Yes, it is. So there you go. When you come over here, you have all the same settings as with my prior machine. I'm so excited to try all of these things. And up here, if you go here, let's see, my week. Earlier this week I was making ghee. Let's see if everything... You have no recipes planned. It looks like everything is brand new then. So we are going to get started. And the first recipe we will make today is kanelbullar, which are Swedish cinnamon rolls. But that's a video for another day.
Like the gingerbread.
Yep, like the little gingerbreads, like the giflar. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. If you're interested in a Thermomix, let me know. I have a link to a website that you can check out. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.